Here we'll need a medium or large potato. And slice it very thin. Here, everything is sliced. Water. A teaspoon of salt. Let the potatoes soak for 10 minutes so they don't darken. Here's a cloth, and here, remove the excess water. Just like this, it's already great. And it gets dry right away. And do this with all the slices. Now just put all the potatoes in a bag and add cornstarch. Now just open it, give it a quick mix here so that all the cornstarch sticks to the potatoes. It's okay if some parts don't get covered. Now take a slice, put another one on top and roll it up. A toothpick and stick it in. It's really easy. Just roll it up. And to save toothpicks, also space. Just use the other side here and leave it like this. With everything rolled up, let's start frying. With the oil heated, start frying. Just keep turning it until it turns golden. Once it gets to this point, we can take it out. Now a bit of Parmesan cheese. Parsley or oregano.